Hi, I'm Dave from RoboJob USA. Today, I'm going to demonstrate our patented stacker table on the Millisys. Check it out. Welcome to the lab. To get started, we're going to take a look at the software to get the layout of where we need to place the pins and parts for our job. This is a software screen that replicates the actual stacker table. Notice the numbers along the bottom and letters on the sides. This correlate with the numbers and letters on our stacker table. The blue dots represent the pins and the orange squares represent the parts. Let's take a look at the stacker table. The numbers, letters, and pinholes all match the image on the software. Now we bring our parts over. The RoboJob has convenient storage space where you can store your squaring jigs, 1-inch pins, and 3-inch pins, all supplied with the system. We'll use the 3-inch pins today. Our patented stacker table holds the most parts with the least amount of space. RoboJob thinks of everything. They did it again. The stacker table also has a catch basin below to catch any coolant or fluid drip that might come off the parts from the machining process and exits out of the back of the robot system for reuse. The pins took about 3 minutes to place and the parts took about 2 minutes to place. Notice I only put one part in the first position. This will allow for the first part to be relocated back in this position. That's it. My job is done. The robot takes over from here. In this case, the robot will run 82 parts. Thanks for watching. Until next time, have a great day.